Hi, today in front of me Tecno Spark 10 and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first open the gallery application, and I have no any photos here, so I'll take a picture right now. Okay, now let's go to the album, to the gallery. Select one from the photos which you want to hide, tap on the right down corner to more icon and click to hide. So the file will be moved to the value. Okay, so click to hide, tap to start now, and we should now enter the password. So let's just enter the password. In my case, this will be from 1 to 6. Tap to confirm, remember your password, tap to I remember. You could link your account, but I don't want to do that, so I'll just click to the skip. Now let's find the wallet. Just open first the file manager, click to browse and tap to wallet. Okay, enter your password. In my case, that's from 1 to 6, and just tap to pictures, private album, select your photo, tap to export and hide. Yes, let's go back to the gallery and we could see our hidden photos. We just unhide it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.